Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off answer call automatically on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the phone app, and then from the pop-up, tap on the more button. In here, tap on settings. Next, we go down and tap on answering and ending calls, and then tap on answer automatically. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now if you tap on the left hand side panel, you can also change the time, so this will allow the phone to wait after a period of time, after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, or after 10 seconds, or a custom time, so that before it will wait after the number of seconds before we pick up the call. And that's it. That is how you can turn it on or off on the Galaxy S23 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.